Doing a little night fishing out here with Big Lou, Uncle Lou, out here on the dock. What you got? What you thinking? What you got? Got your pole bent in half, huh?
I think that's a drum, though.
How do you know it's a? Why do you think that's a drum pulling that pole?
I would have had that bass already. Probably would have had him up here already.
Out here in Chattanooga, Tennessee, at the Tennessee River right now.
Yeah, he pulling too hard to be.
Got that pole bent in half. Unc has a monster on that pole. That thing about to pull you in the water, Unc.
I'm letting this pole.
Tell us your
wear him out.
tell us your strategies about your drag. How you gonna set your drag? Or you gonna? What's your strategy?
I should have it set, but I haven't.
On what number drag you got to set on? Low drag or high drag?
A high drag. That's a drum. You're pulling too hard for a bass. Oh, but ain't no big ass blue. Not with this little old line.
It might be a blue catfish or a drum. We definitely don't suspect that it is a bass. This is one of the biggest fish we've encountered during our night fishing expedition. I'm out here in the Chattanooga out here fishing with Uncle Lou right now. Still trying to fight this fish. How long you gonna try to fight it, Unc? You gonna just try to wear it out? What's your strategy right now?
I'm trying to wear him out.
What pound test do you have on that line? And
10.
got a 10-pound test. That pole is bent and still bending. The suspense is rising. We don't know how much tension this pole is going to be able to take. The question is, will he land the fish or will he break the pole?
Oh shit, there you go.
There you go.
I figured that. Bass don't fight that hard.
Yeah, I see.
He'll fight a little more and then he'll give up. Like about a 10-pound drum.
Seems like about a 10-pound drum.
He might be a little bigger.
What is your favorite drum recipe? How are we going to cook this thing up?
I don't.
So we're gonna maybe use some Lowry's on it or some Zatarans. We'll have to eat it while it's hot, though, I believe.
Yeah, you know about that. Ray not let them go.
No signs of the fish at this point. The fish is giving us a serious fight. Out here fishing with Uncle Lou, people. This is Uncle Lou right here.
There he is right there. Look at. Damn.
Look at this monster. Do you need relief? Are your arms worn out by this huge fish? The suspense is rising. America needs to know the answer to this question.
There he is.
We want to get a better idea of what you're fighting with here. This is a huge, what we call sheep head.
Yeah, that's what they call
In Chicago, we call these things sheep heads. And these could also be called white bass. That thing is huge. Senor, can you please?
Huh? How can you? I don't
Because I'm taping.
Straight up. About 10, 15 pounds, man.
15, 16, something like that. Golly.
He might be over 10 pounds. He brought 10, 15, I guess.
Over 16, 15.
Let me get a view of you with the.
He don't have the hook no more.
The hook is here.
Unless it went through his gills. Out of here. Through the damn eye.
So the hook actually went through the mouth and out the eye,
A nose.
out the nose, through the eye. What an amazing catch. Is it possible you can hold that fish up so we can get a better view of it? Amazing. Wow. So what's next? What are we going to do with it? How are we going to cook this thing up?
Put them in the water.
You putting them back in there?
Yeah.
Catch and release. We're going to give it back. We're going to return it back to nature.